I'm going to see the picture now.
Not be your people they snap us.
Are we done? Why do you want to take photograph with him?
Comment now. Make comment now.
Expensive how to snap with him.
Why?
We used to hear his voice, but we never see him face to face.
But today?
I don't see him.
So
I'm very happy.
Is he
for
doing
that.
well?
He's doing well. He's trying. He's trying.
My name is Mr. Bernard. So I always hear his voice. I'll be one of his fans. So I'm happy to see him today. Last year we are together here. This year again we are together again. I'm happy to see him.
Okay.
Only person who I miss now, Alaji. I didn't see Alaji today.
Okay.
So maybe I hope that maybe next year I will see Alaji here.
So what, are you telling him to continue his job?
Yes, he's continuing with his job.
Sorry.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Comrade.
Well, Mike.
Well done. And you want to take a drink?
Mr. Ali.
Okay, Ali. All right. You are from Kogi?
No, I won't be left out.
All right. Yes.
Ben, don't show it to Mama Bobo.
No, Mama Bobo understands.
I don't want to be.
She understand.
But why are you struggling to take photograph with him?
Why? If not because of Mama
Because
Bobo.
it's you that is snappy.
Is he doing well?
Fantastically well.
Are you sure?
Fantastically well.
Can you say one or two things about him?
He has touched lives in so many ways. Apart from the
Straightforward.
preaching on Sunday. So
Yes.
there are so many.
But one thing, on Sunday is a pastor, but other days a different person.
Yeah.
So you like that?
He flogged people as never before other days, from Monday to Saturday to Friday. He flogged, but on Sunday he's a pastor.
Should he continue?
Yes,
It's a good work. 100%.
yes,
Yeah.
100%.
Let me ask you something. Should they sack him?
No.
No.
Why?
No,
Why? That's
nobody should try that.
people's choice. Why should you sack it? People's choice.
Nobody should try that.
Why?
Okay, Mr. Expensive. People are talking about you.
Short of words.
What are you doing? What do you think you are doing, sir? Who are you, sir?
I don't even know what
But
I'm
you
doing,
know
but
what
you
funny
heard
thing?
from them.
Before I met him last year, some girls were saying, now war. But I respect the answer. We say yes, it's because he's war. That is why I marry a beautiful woman.
Have you seen the wife before?
No, but from his voice, I knew his
wife
wife
should
must
be
be
very
a very beautiful woman.
How about the cough?
The cough has disappeared. And he will never return anymore.
No. How about the cough?
You caught me unaware. Let me call your mother.
I will pursue you from this time till you come back. And the bomb boy too.
Yeah.
I'm okay.
Yes, okay.
That's good money. I'm no longer cough.
Yeah.
And
Okay,
it
thank
was
you.
done by my full family.
I know.
Yes, this man they follow me.
Thank you very much for your time. See you. Let me ask you something. Why are you so eager about him?
We will love
We love him.
He always entertain us. He's always entertaining us. Expensive is that. He's a car. Eat at the end of the speed.
Sir, are you sure he's doing the job well?
He's doing the job well. We like the job. We like the job. The job is very. Yeah.
The company told me that they want to transfer him.
No.
No. We need him in Nigeria. We need him in Nigeria.
Thank you.
Gio. All right, thank you.
Love you too, sir. God bless you, sir. God will keep you, sir.
All right. We love you, sir. All right. That's our love, sir.